Hi all, I wanted to make a quick video uh, about a new indicator that's been released today. Before I proceed, I would like to mention that this is an educational channel. All content over here is for the sake of education. Kindly read the disclaimer you see on the screen and in the description below. Also, always consult your personal financial advisor before you make or take any financial decisions. With that said, let's proceed. So we'll straight away go to our page, and this is the indicator that I want to discuss with you today. It is called BB Regression Forecast by Big Beluga. Let me just show you about the script. It's come out 7 hours back, so it's come out today, 7 hours ago, just launched, and 578 people have already boosted the script. As you must be aware, if you are a follower on TradingView, that Big Beluga has a lot of followers on TradingView, and including me, and I want you to also read the literature at least once or twice before you start using the indicator. All right, so this literature is pretty good. Give it a read once or twice. I have already gone through it a couple of times, and I suggest you also do the same. Now I'm using, or I will use, the script on the 125 minutes time frame, because when it comes to scripts like this, I don't think they are made for very short time frames. I don't think they are made for scalping. In my personal view, I think they are made for swing and positional trading. Higher time frames work better. But this script basically says that it's moving within a band, and when the band is expanding, that means the market is expanding, and when the band is narrowing, that means maybe there's a reversal on the horizon. Apart from that, these white dots that you see, these white triangles, they are where the uh, trend is most likely to reverse. So as you can see over here on the 125 minutes on the Nifty spot chart, now this is applicable to all indices or on instruments, whatever you trade. Just because I make my demos or videos on Nifty 50, so I use Nifty 50 as my base. That way it keeps the channel consistent. So on Nifty 50 on the 125 minutes time frame, uh, wherever you see this white triangle, you see that there has been a reversal. So it's been pretty accurate. This may not be accurate here. It's not very accurate. But apart from that, as you can see, the hit rate seems to be more than 60% at least. In this case, about 2 days back, I had not 2 days back. Yesterday, I had made a video for Sigma members of the group, and that indicator looks something like this. I've explained about this indicator to my Sigma members. This is a more interesting indicator according to me. Let me put it this way: if I like this indicator 90%, then I like this Big Beluga one about 85 or 80%. I still think that the one I've discussed with the Sigma members is a little more accurate, a better representation. But this Big Beluga also is not bad. It's pretty good. Just that I think that other one is a little more logically done. Anyways, coming to this is not bad at all. It does a phenomenal job on higher time frames. So if you're somebody who's looking at swing and positional, I would definitely suggest you paper trade with this indicator for a while. As you can see, the moving average line in the center also keeps changing color as the trend changes. So when it's going up, it becomes green, and when it's coming down, the trend becomes reddish. So that way, that middle line also is helpful. The upper end and the lower end of the funnel shows the scope. In this case, it's about 1300 points. This funnel top and funnel bottom, I think the author has also explained that. Yeah, he's explained this point. So basically, it's not nuclear science. It's very simple. It's uh, it's not a very complex indicator to understand. It's pretty easy to understand. Here you see those triangles that he's mentioned. He's marked over here. Markers highlight potential mean reversion points when price crosses the outer boundaries of the batch. So these are reversion points from where the price can reverse or trend can reverse, where those triangles appear. The dynamic width of the funnel, dynamic channel width adopts standard deviation and slope for realistic volatility modeling. Very good. So on and so forth. Neat indicator, just been launched today. definitely we should have it in our kitty of indicators that we generally have in our kitty. Couple of good comments have already come in, so good, it's picking up. And maybe by the end of the month this will also have more than 2-3 thousand boost, because Big Beluga is one of the authors on TradingView that has got a large followership. Let me just see if I can see his followership over here. No, it's not shown over here, but he has a large following. Anyways, coming back to the indicator, yes, I don't see this working very well for 5 minutes, even though you can try. And as you can see today, good shot, good shot, good shot. It's given all the right calls. Let's try 3 minutes. Again, it's telling to short, but according to me, if you see what's happening, the trend is actually going up. So those shorts are instances of quick reversals that are happening. So one could have made money on in one of those shorts, but generally if you see the trend is upwards. All right, but when you move to higher time frames is where you will see it start catching the trend better. You see it's caught over here, it's caught over here. This is a little wrong, this is correct, this is again correct. So as you keep going higher and higher in time frames, you will find that indicator keeps doing better and better. All right, especially above 1 hour 25 minutes in Nifty. For whatever other instrument that you're trading, try to find the time zone that you think it's working well and then adapt to it accordingly. I don't think it's necessary to make any substantial changes to the indicator. I think the way the author has left it in its default setting is pretty good. I did try making a few changes here and there, but it did not really work out well. I think the default settings is where it should be in my view. So yes, a good indicator launched today. Add it to your kitty of indicators, study it for a couple of days. Bollinger Band is a tried and tested indicator on TradingView, and authors over time have kept adding their own take on the whole thing. In this instance, Big Beluga has added his own take on it and sounds or looks pretty good to me, especially for higher time frames. All right, on that note, I'll end this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll leave the name of the indicator author and the link to the indicator in the comment section and pin it so that you have no difficulty finding it. If you're already a subscriber on the channel, consider becoming a member. There are 2 levels of membership. You decide which one you want. And if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, then please subscribe to the channel, share this video with your family and friends, give our videos a like. It motivates us to make more videos for you. Also subscribe to our free Telegram channel. The link is given to in the description. You can buy your Amazon products in India from our Amazon affiliate link given in the description. What else? Yeah, we have our own indicators as well, which is available at bestindicators.net. If you live in India, if you want to buy indicators, if you're outside India, then you can buy it from Buy Me a Coffee link. That also is there in the description. And of course, you'll find videos are on our own indicators also in the channel somewhere. So we have our own indicators like Intraday Wizard, Time Machine, DSU Zones, Wave RSI. They are all available. If you're buying from within India, it's available on our bestindicators.net website. The link is given in the description. If you're buying outside India, then you can buy it from Buy Me a Coffee link. That also has been provided in the description. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye. Have a good trading day ahead. Bye-bye.